Okay. What? Ew. That's disgusting. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So today we went to literally 3 Salvation Armies, 2 which ended up being a church and a drop-off and a non-existent location that actually was just a townhouse. I'm confused. So now we're finally here and I wanted to get some stuff to either redecorate Jordan's room or get something to refurbish. So if I find something cute and fun and fresh to refurbish, then we'll do that. Otherwise, we're just gonna turn this into a fun day vlog. So without further ado, here we go. But I don't want to get them because I don't know, we were like running around shopping today and I already spent like my limit of $10. So, and I really wanted to buy like a cute little chair to refurbish or something, but they really don't have anything here. Everything's too big and clunky. So we're just gonna turn this video into a vlog, so hope you like that. Okay, catch you in a sec.
Nobody knows, but don't say on our petticoats.
To catch you up to speed. I told you in Salvation Army that we went to literally like 3 different Salvation Armies and all of them weren't the store. It was like the church or a drop-off location or one that may have been. Oh my god, the cat's coming towards us.
I know.
And she's literally running towards us. Me and Jordan just left her. She's running. Jordan, she's running towards us. Oh my god, I have to show you. She's like, I'm not letting these hoes go. They're the only ones that tried to pet me. I think she has fleas though, so I don't want to like, oh my god, Jordan, she's obsessed with it, with us.
Kitty, no! Kitty, no! Kitty, no!
She's gonna attack me!
Kitty. I'm sorry, Kitty, I don't know where you come from. I know, I'm sorry. I
oh
really
my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared. In general, I'm really confused because I'm not going to get back to my haul right now because this cat won't leave us alone, and now we're wondering if it's not a stray cat and it's somebody's cat who just doesn't have a collar on it because she's like chasing us down. Like she is like trying to tell us something. Yeah, I guess so. So, well, I still don't know what to do, but I posted in like the Lost and Found Pet Facebook page pictures of the cat because it was like trying to rub up against me, and I'm scared of cats. Like cats freak me out, but Jordan loves cats, so thank God he was here. So we took pictures of it and posted it. I guess we'll see if it's anybody's cat. Otherwise, it's just a really friendly that's the pit stop in our middle of the vlog. I think we're gonna leave now because she's kind of just chilling. Jordan's like upset.
One time, I saved a bird.
One time Jordan and I were driving and I saw like this really frazzled looking bird on the side of the road and I literally started crying. I was like, Jordan, pull over, pull over. He made a U-turn and parked like right in front of the bird and it looked like a hawk. Like it was black and blue. Like actually, it was like black and blue. It had black eyes. It was like so creepy and like cool looking. And it was really hurt. And I was like, Jordan, stay right here. I'm gonna find a box. He's like, where are you gonna find a box? We're on the side of the road. I don't know how, but I found a box. Like literally found our cat. The cat is coming back because she knows we're like the animal savers. Hey, let me finish my story. I find the box.
No, cat, no.
And I go, Jordan, call your mom. We need to figure out what to do. So his mom, like, I don't know, gave us like a phone number to like this crazy goat lady who like takes care of birds. And don't ask. And Jordan like obviously you're not supposed to grab birds because they could have like, you know, diseases and stuff. And Jordan grabs the bird by its like, because it was like really hurt. And he was just like, put him in the box. We brought him to the lady. She tried to fix him, but she said he was like old. And it was like really hard and whatever, so she ended up passing. We named her Bluebee and that was like the cutest thing we've ever done. And okay, this cat, this is why we're telling this story, because we think this is Bluebee reincarnated and she's following us. Oh my god, she's literally, I'm so scared of cats. Okay guys, hey, what's up? It's the next morning and yesterday I kind of stopped vlogging because the whole cat situation, and then we got really hungry and came home and never did our haul, but we ate dinner and then we watched Sabrina the Teenage Witch, the Netflix version, and oh my god, it was so scary. Handsome. We never did our haul. Guess how much this tank top was? It was $1.
$1.
$1, and he looks so handsome in it. Show them your other things. So this is really Jordan's haul because he got a bunch of things.
Because I'm not prepared for winter.
Because he is not prepared for winter. He got these cute little joggers. They're such a nice color. They like have a pretty texture, the little bottoms. These were $7.
$7.
Next. The cutest the cutest hoodie. I said hoodie. The cutest hoodie on the planet. $10.
I bought everything in a shade of green. I don't know why.
Everything's in a shade of green. Oh, all of those 3 things were from Primark. And this is from Salvation Army and it was $4. Jordan got this. He actually got this online, but it just came yesterday.
It was like $14.
It was like 14. What? I'll probably link stuff below.
It was from Zoffel. That was Zoffel.
Oh, this was from Zoffel. We love Zoffel.
Victoria's Secret Iced Mint Lip Scrub.
And that's another thing that I bought yesterday. I had a coupon and it was like for my birthday month, because oh my gosh, November's my birthday month. Just so you know. And what is this? Oh.
Iced Mint Smoothing Lip Scrub.
Yeah, I'm a beauty guru. These. So I had a coupon because it's my birthday month, so I got $10 off of any purchase. So I like bought the cheapest thing and then got like a pair of underwear.
You're not supposed to eat it, but I'm still eating it. I love mint. I'm that guy who like enjoys mint. Don't kiss me.
Oh, and then Jordan got me something else. And he got me all of these rings. I'm actually wearing one and it's so cute. I'll show all of them on my hand. But he got me all of these rings for like literally $1. It's like, he tells me, he goes, yeah, can you imagine I got all those for $1 and
$2.
$2
and 30 cents.
And then 5 seconds later he's like, ooh, should I not have told you that?
I was like, should I have not told you the price? Am I cheap now? am I a cheap person?
Oh my god, they just look so pretty on camera.
I should have bought myself rings. I want rings too.
Wait, is this smoking? Oh. How pretty are these?
My hands are nicer.
So I think I'm gonna continue the vlog today, and I'll see you at wherever we go next. I lost a ring already.
Lost the ring already. Watch us in the next series of the vlog.
Well, we're back in the car. Another day, another dollar. We have to go to the UPS store. Oh! Okay, so we like the painting that I just showed you so much, and we kind of want to imitate it. Oh my god. I hate talking in public, it's so awkward. So the painting I just showed you, I like it so much, but I don't want to really spend $30 on it. Sorry. Because I feel like I could paint it. So I'm going to take... Where'd Jordan go? So I'm going to take, I guess, some inspo from that, and I want to paint something kind of similar because, like, I love plants and, like, just, like, greenery in the room. We're trying to redo Jordan's room at some point. So we might do that and do some sort of cute DIY. Don't know if this is going to be in this video or another one if we end up doing it, but that's an idea, and I love that. I love coming here and figuring that out. So we just made a pit stop at... Well, we went to Michael's. Like I said, we went to Michael's, like I said, because we wanted to DIY our own cute little plant painting for Jordan's room. I was hungry and had to walk my dog and feed him and play with him and be so cute. I didn't vlog that because he's like too much to hold and deal with and hold a camera because, oh my god, because he literally weighs more than me. By the way, this is vegan, just letting you know. And now we're going to TJ Maxx, so this is like a total shopping, errand running weekend, so I guess I'll just see you in TJ Maxx. So I'm back at Jordan's house, and I know this is gonna seem like a humongous time warp because I was like, oh, we're going to TJ Maxx, and then I never filmed in TJ Maxx because I looked through like every single aisle and I was like laser focused looking for something. This is a color. It's like a pretty, I'll show you closer. Yeah, it's like a pretty burnt orange, kind of like a pale pink orange-ish kind of color. I love Salvation Army, I love Goodwill, I love TJ Maxx, I love Ross. I love all the stores that you have to like look for things in. I was gonna go to Five Below for a nail polish because they have like, it's usually like 3 for $5, I think, or 2 for $4 or something like that. They always do that, and I have a lot of them at home, but like I've had them for years, and like they work really well in the beginning, and for like the first like year and a half you could always use them, but then they start getting like that clumpy grossness. So I was gonna go to Five Below, but I actually found this color in TJ Maxx and I really like it. Okay, so next day, same shot, probably same hoodie. I don't know if I wore this on camera yesterday. Oh my god, I don't remember. We ended up not painting, and we ended up going to Chipotle and Target, and then coming home and watching more Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Oh, by the way, painted my nails that color that I showed you guys. I'm gonna probably end the vlog here considering it's the morning, daylight savings came, I woke up really early, I showered, I blew out my hair. That's why it looks like this, because I don't know how to blow out my hair. And then I had to straighten over it because it was so frizzy. And yeah, so I've hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a like, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday in my next video. Bye!